Hey there, folks. Welcome back to our channel, where we break down tech and finance topics to make your life easier. Today, we're tackling a super practical guide: how to transfer money from PayPal to your savings account in 2025. Whether you're saving for a rainy day or just managing your finances better, this step-by-step process will get you sorted quickly and securely. First things first, make sure you have a PayPal account set up and linked to your bank. Start by logging into your PayPal account on their official website or app. Once you're in, head over to the Wallet section. That's where all your money magic happens. Next, if you haven't already, link your savings account. Click on Link a Bank or Add Bank Account and follow the prompts. You'll need to enter your bank's details, and PayPal might ask for verification, which could take a day or two. Don't worry, it's all about keeping things safe. Now, for the main event: transferring the money. Go to your PayPal balance, select the amount you want to transfer, and choose your linked savings account as the destination. Hit Transfer and confirm the details. Remember, in 2025, PayPal has streamlined this process, so it should be faster than ever, but keep an eye out for any transfer fees. They vary by bank and region. One quick tip: always double-check the recipient account to avoid mistakes. Transfers typically take 1 to 3 business days, so plan ahead. If you're new to this, start with a small amount to test the waters. And that's it, you've just moved money from PayPal to your savings account hassle-free. If you found this helpful, give this video a thumbs up, subscribe for more finance tips, and drop a comment below if you have questions. Stay smart with your money, and we'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.